Hi mga lalabs! Welcome back sa aking channel. So for today's vlog, punta kami ng city center with Ami. So ayan, nandito kami sa Jordan. Waiting kami sa Uber. So see you later. It's Ami. Hi! On the way na to city center mall. Malapit lang dito sa building. Si Ami. Hello! See, Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Yeah, I'm not gonna say it.
Merry Christmas! Pareho kami red. Red na red. So mga lalabs, dito na kami sa center. Yan po yung sama ko si Ami. Tara pa yung city center, mga lalabs. Lapit lang. Ayaw niya maglakad eh. Sobrang lapit lang. Pag ako lang mag-isa, nilakad ko lang kasi masarap yung weather. Hindi naman siya mainit. Kaso ayaw niya maglakad. Sinali ko siya sa video. Kung magalit yung mother niya. Come. So, mamaya meron kaming party sa bahay ng aming friend. Party.
What?
We have a party. Ito yung Christmas party namin kasi kinabukasan walang pasok. So, mamaya yung party namin. Wala pa akong tulog kagabi. Yan yung party. Pasok mga amigo. Pasok. Na tayo, mga lalabs. Guys, sa city center. Ito yung pinakamalapit na mall. Lagi kami dito. Pag nainit sa bahay. So, mamaya ulit mga lalabs. Daming flowers dito.
My mom wants to buy the natural flowers, but then Arshu take it.
Huh?
My mom wants to buy the natural flowers, but then
The naturals.
yeah, but then Arshu, if she gets vase, Arshu will break. If the water, he will put his hand. And also, if they get the one from the soil, Arshu will take out the soil, eating.
Oh. Tama na kami ng Carrefour mga lalabs kasi check ko doon kung may
Look, not the window.
wala nang sale. Hey! Ikot-ikot lang kami. Tapos mag Jollibee. Gusto niya Jollibee.
The cream's there.
Later we buy. Special offer. Just wait. Special offer. Just wait. Buy some gifts. Sa Kiko. Kami ng Carrefour mga lalabs. Kami pa rin tao. Thursday today. So, yun. Today is 26.
26.
Today is December 26.
Wait, yesterday Arshu turned how many months old? 23 months old yesterday, Arshu.
Yeah, 2 months.
Yeah, yesterday was Christmas.
So, where are you going to Arshu's second birthday?
We don't know. My mom said we're maybe going Banana Island. Because my mom said last year when we were...
Banana Island is too cold.
Yeah, my mom said last year when Arshu's turning 1, he's 6, so my mom canceled for going Banana Island, so maybe she's going
Kami
Banana
city
Island.
center, may tingnan na ako mga lalabs. Ah, okay. Ito yung Carrefour.
Oh my gosh, fish. So much
Where?
fish. Look.
Okay. We go in the makeup area.
Makeup. You want to buy makeup only.
What do you want to buy? Bili ako ng ano, yung pang ano sa tawag dito.
Actually, I don't want
Eye
cup.
bags.
I want this.
Dito tayo mga sabon. Saan ba yung mga makeup dito? Ang daming sale.
Behind.
So many sale. Taglit lang mga lalabs ha. Kami ngayon sa Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme. Bumili ng ano,
And I got a legs to that.
Christmas tree donut. Si Ami lang kakain. Ayok. Sobrang tamis.
Hello.
Tapos mag-Jollibee kami. Punta na kami ng Splash. Bili ako ng gift. Thank you. Krispy Kreme. Punta na kami ng Splash mga lalabs. Bili ako ng gift. Hi mga lalabs.
And Arshu can only lick the lollipop.
Okay.
And he can also eat the chocolate lollipop, which is chocolate, not the hard one, the chocolate.
Strolling around. Beauty secrets.
Show me, please.
Hi! Makain siya ng lollipop. Weasel lollipop. Ganda ng mga ano. Ganda ng mga silver. Punta ako ng Splash. Check lang ako doon.
This is Coca-Cola flavor. It's new.
Really?
Yeah,
Coca-Cola?
yeah, Coca-Cola.
Get kami mga lalabs. Coca-Cola flavor. Maraming promo. Pira lang ang wala. Basta yung promotion ngayon is until January. First week of January. Ito pa yung pa-promo nila December. Pasko, Christmas promo. Sarap pag-shopping. Pag maraming pera. Kasi mostly dito talaga every December ano sila, nagsisale. 50% off. Mostly ng shop. Lahat ng shop, I think.
Annalyn, when will you go to Philippines? When will you go to Philippines?
July, I'm going to bye-bye. Well, we'll see.
Oh, July is competition.
Competition for what?
Gymnastics. Mine. Now let me see my December one. Now I want you to see the July one.
Oh, really? Let's wait mga lalabas. Dito sa Splash, my favorite shop. 20 to 50% off. And Splash. Kasi yung mga jacket nila. Wait lang. Jollibee time! Mag-Jollibee na kami! Dami tao. Dami din tao. Baskin and Robbins. Here! From here. Jollibee. Favorite of Ami. Ami. Favorite. Wait. Jollibee time. So dito kami sa Jollibee. Ami. Spaghetti? Order na kami mga lalabs. Ami. Waiting sa aming order dito sa Jollibee 6 Center. Daming tao sa play area. Hindi kami nag-play ngayon dahil no cards. No card. Hi, Ami. Tagal, 15 minutes waiting. 15 minutes pa yung order namin. loves, ayan, tapos na. Hindi nakapag-vlog. Tapos na, yan, ano lang din ako spaghetti. Pero nakulangan ako, nag-order ako ulit ng Jolly hotdog. Then, ito lang, yung ano namin, lunchtime. Hello, Ami! Sa kanya, spaghetti. Where is your spaghetti? Oh my God! It's done. And she have a donut, Krispy Kreme. Hindi rin niya naubos. So, nagutom pa ako mga loves. Hi, everybody! We're still here and Carrefour. No Jollibee because she have already Play-Doh.
Jollibee? Actually?
Now we go and play in Jollibee.
Yes.
She loves to eat spaghetti and burger.
My favorite thing.
Her favorite is spaghetti and burger and Jollibee.
That's the best thing ever. And Annalyn, remember you want the spicy chicken?
Yeah.
This
but
time ask, I want spicy chicken. Don't just like, I want chicken. I want spicy chicken. Say that.
I want to check this perfume. Everyone! Oh my God, like a summer.
Yeah, it's
Walis yan. Ang daming sales dito, mga lalaki ng promotion. Tapos na kami nag-lunch sa Jollibee. Jolly, busog na si Inday. Tapos, pinatikim ko siya ng Jolly hotdog. Nagustuhan niya. Mas masarap pa daw kaysa burger.
my new favorite.
What is your new favorite?
Jolly hot dog.
Jolly hotdog. Ayaw ko siyang bigyan. Kasi sabi niya, busog na siya. Tapos sabi, gusto talaga niyang matikman. Ngayon, nagustuhan niya yung Jolly hotdog. Masarap talaga eh. Yun din yung favorite ko sa sa Jollibee, yung Jolly hotdog. So, puntahan na namin yung brother niya. Pick up na namin sa nursery school. So, yun lang. May binili lang ako. Tapos, kumain lang kami sa Jollibee. Kasi nag-promise dapat kahapon kasi Christmas daw. Tapos tinatamad ako kahapon, sabi ko ngayon na lang. Diba? Hindi niya nakakalimutan kapag nag-promise ka. Hindi niya makakalimutan kapag nag-promise ka na gagala. Diba? Ito na kami sa labas mga lalabs. Hintayin namin yung taxi. Punta kami sa nursery school. Traffic! So, hanggang dito na lang po ang aking video. Dito lang kami nagmasyal sa City Center Mall. Thank you so much everyone. Bye, Ami. Bye! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!